chase him away.
Deb wanted more Gina. There we go. Whoa! Yeah, because she's testing, you know, they test your speed over 40 for the football. What's your speed over 5 yards?
Gina got a toy.
Weak Maggie will go wild.
This is the dog that just likes to bite other dogs' legs when they're playing. You think you're so good with that, you know?
Make it squeak and send Maggie into spasms.
You're so proud that you have that. It's yours.
Look at me! Look at me!
Oh, Corey wants to chase Gina. Corey chases Gina. That poodle's so fucking fast.
It's on.
It's like a horse. Corey's like a horse. Well, Gina don't want to run. She just wants to tease the other dogs with her toy.